How to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode I'll be showing you how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So in order to see your Instagram password if you've forgotten it, then what you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, make sure to update your Instagram application. Now when you actually go and log in into your Instagram account and then tap the profile icon, after that tap on the tab bar icon and go to settings and privacy. So while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and select account center and go to password and security. Here you can see there is this option as change password. If you go ahead and tap on it, then you need to select the account for which you actually want to. Unfortunately, there's no such direct way of seeing your Instagram password. However, if you've saved it to your Google password manager, then you'll be able to find it very easily. So for that, you need to go ahead and log in into your Google account, and after you open up your application and just press on the profile icon and go to Google account. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in password manager. After that, you'll be able to find all of the password that were actually saved onto your Google. Here, if you go ahead and locate Instagram, now in my case, I've not happened to save my information in the Google password, so I'm unable to find. I'm just gonna show you the instructions. So basically you have to go ahead and tap on it. After that, it's gonna ask you to verify it by entering the PIN, and here you can see the password associated with the following account. However, if you've not saved onto your Google password, then you'll not be able to locate it right over here. Then you have to reset your password. All you have to do is make sure that you have the email address or that you have the phone number so that the verification code can be sent. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in Instagram password reset and go to www.reset.com, and that's going to take you to the page where you have to enter in the phone number, either your username and all that, and simply reset your password. So that's basically how you can see your Instagram password if you forget it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.